Jetty. Who named Jetty?
Oh, sometime recently, must say 2 weeks ago,
Yeah.
my sister, she paid me a visit.
Mm-hmm.
See, and most people would have seen her in the background, and she like, she come by my life, and she like, yeah, just
So your sister
talk with
never
my
talk.
chat, and yeah, them feel like I'm a woman, but I'm Jetty, I'm a sister.
Okay. So you're single.
Like I'm a Pringle.
Okay. But me not believe say you not have sex though. Me not believe that one day.
Listen me, I'm serious, baby. God no. Right now, if me are here for lay down, I guess like me would even remember how to put it in. You'd have to go hold it and put it in. That's no for sure you how long me no enter
Serious
a
then.
female.
So if me have to go early and put in it, that means they're very serious. Cause a long
That mean it very what?
serious.
What?
Cause a long time you know do not need serious.
Okay then.
Yeah.
That's what I'm trying to tell you. It's been a while.
Yeah.